Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Would you like to discover your very own superpower that you've always had hidden, but just not shown the world just how good you are? Book your slot for a free 30-minute LDL call at ldlcall.com or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and this is your 1 minute motivation with your quote for today. Just because you're right does not mean that I am wrong. You just haven't seen life from my side. Sometimes two different people can be right about the same situation, but in different ways. Yes, for one person, number 6 is right, but looking from the opposite angle, you see the number 9. There will be times when you agree, there will be times when you disagree, although from all different points of view, we're both right. As long as we're all trying to get the best outcome for us all, let's just agree to get there regardless of who we think is right.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.